Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily print W-2s in QuickBooks Online Payroll. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just look for taxes, then click on Payroll Tax. This will redirect you to the Payroll Tax Center and make sure that you click Filings. Next is head over and click on Resources. And from the Filing Resources, click on W-2s. And from here, you should be able to see a list of W-2s, and all you have to do is click on the Manage W-2s beside the W-2 that you want to print. And once you're ready to print, just click on View and Print. You will then be shown a PDF preview of the file, and all you have to do is click on the print icon. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!